going on, y'all? It's Chris with pennies2000s.com. I'm going to show you one of my favorite apps to use when it comes to receipts. You can make really good money with it. You're going to get paid actually 5 cents per receipt. I'm going to go through, show you an example of how I do it. People get a lot of receipts. You'll be surprised how much you get per day, per week, things like that. So you might as well get paid for it. And this app is going to help you do that. So it's called Receipt Pal. I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's completely free to sign up. So let's get started with it. Here's pretty much like the home page. It'll show you, you can earn 25 points by scanning your Gmail account. It could take your email receipts as well. So what it is here, they have cards that you can do. Every time you take a picture of a receipt, like I said, it's 5 cents. That's 25 points. And so I got a fourth one I'm going to do right here. All you're doing is, taking a picture of the full receipt, just making sure it's lined up. You click the camera icon, and then the picture will come back up. You can just submit it from there. And just wait for it to fully submit. You just want to make sure that it stays within the date that they're asking for. Like it's not, past that date for this particular video. Anything before the 24th of October, they're not accepting. So once it's done, a little ad like this will pop up. I'll just click later for that. And you'll see like a pending clock showing you it's pending. So I'm going to show you the redeem section, the rewards that you can get for it. You see here I have 4,250 points. You can get $5 Amazon gift card retail, $10, 25, 50, 100, things like that. So for me, I'm going to click the $10 retail. I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to this. I'm going to click on redeem. And it's going to ask me, am I sure? I'm going to click yes. And one thing I love about this app is you get paid instantly. So it says here, your reward will be emailed to you shortly. So I'm going to go to my email and just show you that it's proof like it came. Right there, there's the email. Receipt Pal. So I'm going to click on it, and you see here they send me a link, and the link will allow me to choose what kind of retail gift card I want. So I'll just click on the link here, and now you'll see after it loads up the different rewards that I can choose from. I can get a Visa gift card, I can get some restaurant gift cards, Walmart, different stores, things like that. So it pays instantly. That's really cool. I love apps and websites that pay instantly, so you don't have to wait forever. So just like that, I can choose. I'm going to choose the Visa gift card, but, right now, for the purpose of the video, I just want to show you how easy it is. Like I said, link to it is in the description, completely free to use. Every receipt is worth 5 cents, and then you'll fill up a card. The card is worth 100 points, so like 5 cents is worth 25 points. Then, you'll basically get your points credited to you once you get that card filled up. So that's basically 4 receipts that you have to get to move on to 100 points, which is basically 20 cents. It might sound confusing, but the best way to do it is just take a picture of every receipt, get your points, and then you'll just watch them pile up easily like that. So like I said, completely free to use. Link is in the description. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.